Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can improve the looks of your car by replacing these pilot bulbs with an LED one. The LED bulb that I have bought is this one, which is very affordable, cheap. The price of these bulbs I will let you know at the end of this video. Right now I'm going to show you how you can actually replace these bulbs and make your car look great. So it's a pretty simple stuff. You don't need an expert, or you don't have to be an expert to do it. All that you have to do is, I'll just turn it off. It's off now, and the bulb must be a little bit hot right now. If I try to do it, I might burn my fingers, but no need to worry. All that I have to do is, here we have got a socket, this one. Just have to twist it, okay, pull it out, and here it is, the bulb, which is stock bulb. Don't try to touch it because sometimes it is very hot. So all that I have to do is, you have to be very careful and pull it out. Still hot, so I just need a cloth or something to pull it out, but nevertheless maybe I can do it. That's it. I just removed it and kept it aside, and this is the LED one. Just insert it gently, no need of an expert. That's it, and I will test it now. It doesn't close, so maybe I have made some mistakes, so it often happens. Just turn it, put it back again. That's it. Here you go. Pretty simple stuff. Now I'll just have to put it back from where I had removed it. As you can see in the video, I'm just holding the socket and push it gently and twist it a little bit to keep it hold in this position, or else it might fell off. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. Now I'll show you how it glows. You can actually see the difference. I mean, it glows a little bit brighter, and I have already done the replacement for the left side. Looks great. It's very affordable. The price of this product is around 400 rupees, and I will share the contact details and the location from where I have bought this product. You may directly contact him, order it, and do it yourself instead of taking the help of any expert or technician. So pretty simple stuff, nothing to worry. And please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please also hit the notification button, and wait for my upcoming video where I'll show you the driving experience of my car. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day ahead.